Welcome back, guys. So now that we have our website ready and everything is working fine, it's time to promote our website. The best thing about this method is that it goes viral so easily. Okay, you just start by posting on Facebook groups for free, and people start engaging with your post. That's give more exposure to your website, and people start using it as a Facebook game. For that, I will use a photo so I can promote my website. Okay, for example, I will be using this one like that on Photoshop. I will try to use this. Okay, and simply, okay, let me check once again. Okay, now I will type something like comment www.cwin.fun. Okay, something like this. To see when you will get married. Okay, something like this. Okay, let's use the blending option, stroke. Okay, that's too much. Let's make it like that. This one too. Okay, we can make it like this. Okay, something like this. Let's export this one and click promo. So this is our image. There is one simple problem with this image. The thing is that Facebook lately, after using the method for 3 months, start considering links, repeated links, as a spam. Okay, if people start commenting the same link multiple times, they consider it as spam, even it's not. So to solve this problem, we have came to this solution. You can add something like this, your name. So people who engage with your post will simply add their name, and this will help your website to avoid being considered as spam. Okay, let's make it like that. Okay, you may try with the first one. We are just giving this the secondary option if your website starts being considered as spam. Okay, promo number 2. Okay, now simply try to share this on Facebook groups, and you will see how much traffic you will be getting in the next days. For example, if I went to this Facebook and searched for kid.ma, as you can see, these posts are in Arabic because I live in Morocco, so all the posts will all be Arabic. But if you are from other country, you will see posts with my website in your language. Okay, as you can see, people share my website and help me get a lot of engagement. As you can see, if I check the commenters, you can see right here, or those ones. Sorry, you cannot see it when you are on Facebook because this game is played mostly by mobile users. Okay. Those people are commenting kid.com. Okay, let's start with this link. So as you can see, people are sharing my website, and that's helping me to earn a lot of traffic. As you can see right here, let me check today earning with dollars. It's $63 today, and 11,000 people visited my website. Can you see how much clicks I'm getting on my website? So this is really the easiest way you can use to earn money with Google AdSense. Okay. In the next article, I will be sharing with you my Facebook page that I used to promote my photos. Okay. The Facebook groups where I have shared my photos, so I can get the first post. Okay. When you go viral, you don't have to share your website anymore with anyone. You just set and earn. Okay. You may try to create multiple websites and multiple games, and that will help you to earn even more. Okay. So that's all for this video. See you next.